Alrighty, this is 48 Concli, and I have here today my Glock 29, which is unloaded. This is just a quick little video about one of the things I like greatest about the Glocks is the modularity of parts and the availability to change the gun without much work. This led me to getting one of these. A Pearce grip extension. It gives you a nice room for your third finger, your pinky there, and it gives you I don't know, just changes the feel of the Glock 29 in general. You know, I saw this and I got it for like $5-6, not the magazine, but just the base plate here at a gun store, and I figured, you know, my wife doesn't really like the fact that she can't get her pinky on there. I mean, you kind of can, like as you can see there, and it's not bad. I shoot this just fine, but this just gives you a little bit of options to shoot it more comfortably and to just enjoy it more thoroughly. But as I said, you know, not a huge change, but it does offer you a little bit more purchase on the grip itself. Alright, thanks for watching.